Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a costume dummy, buyable, and whenever you equip it, it lets you fly. Or what do you want it to do? So first, what you want to need is you want to get your maker pen out. You can either get it from your back by just favoriting it and pulling out from your back, or you can just press use. Now when you have your maker pen out, you want to open up the palette and then get something called a roll chip, which I already have. And then you want to get something called a costume dummy, which I already have. So once you do and have both of these, what you want to do is open up your watch again, go to this room, go to settings, and then press keys, and then press add key. Now once you press add key, you're going to want to type in a key name. So in this case, we're just going to make it fly. And fly to anywhere. Perfect. And now we're just going to make it like 50 tokens, I guess. Now that you have your key added, you want to open up your maker pen again, go to tools, press configure. Configure this. Role name, we're just going to make it fly. You can make it whatever, but we're just going to make it fly. And then once you do that, you want to edit role, can fly, and then you want to put it to yes. Now once you have that, you want to press, get this out of the way. You want to scroll down, you should see lock pickup with key. Press it, and then your fly should be there if you did it right. Now, you want to configure your costume dummy. So just press configure, and then add roles when equipped. You should see fly if you did it right. Scroll down, lock equip with key. You want to press that, and then fly should be there. And then once you do that, you can just put down your maker pen, and then you can buy it. And see, I can now fly. Now, if you don't believe me, I don't have fly permissions anymore. It's pretty cool. So, yeah. Thanks for watching this video, guys.